In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Google history permanently on iPhone. We will clear what Google has stored in your account, not just what is on your device. First, open the Google app on your iPhone. You will see the familiar Google logo at the top, with the search box and your recent suggestions underneath. Make sure you are connected to the internet because these changes affect your online Google account. Once the app is open, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. If you use a default letter icon instead of a photo, that is fine, it is still your profile button. After you tap it, a small panel slides up showing your email address and several options like Manage your Google account and Settings. From there, tap Search History. This opens a new screen in the app that loads your Google My Activity page for searches. Give it a moment and you should see a timeline of your recent searches, grouped by day, along with filters and a search bar at the top of this page. Now tap Delete. You will usually find this word near the top left of the activity page. When you tap it, a list of options appears over the screen, such as Delete Today, Delete Custom Range, and Delete All Time. This menu tells Google how much of your stored history you want to remove at once. Next up, select Delete All Time. This tells Google to remove every recorded search linked to this account, from the very beginning up to now. On screen, you may see a confirmation message summarizing what will be erased, so take a quick look to be sure it matches what you want. After that, confirm the deletion. Tap the Confirm button that appears, and wait a few seconds. The activity list will refresh, and you should see either a mostly empty page or a short note that there is no search activity for the selected time range. At this point, all saved Google search history in this account has been removed from their servers. With that done, open the Google app again if you closed it. We will now change a setting so Google stops saving new searches. This part prevents a fresh history from silently building up again as you continue using Google. In the Google app, go to myactivity.google.com. Type that into the top address field inside the app if it is not already open. Once the page loads, you are back on your activity overview, which controls what Google remembers across your signed-in devices. On that page, tap the menu button with 3 horizontal lines. Then choose Activity Controls. This takes you to a screen that lists different types of activity Google can save, such as web and app activity, location history, and YouTube history, each with its own switch. Now scroll down, move slowly so you do not skip past web and app activity. When you reach it, you will see a description explaining that it saves your searches and activity in Google services to give faster results and suggestions. Under Web and App Activity, choose either Turn Off or Turn Off and Delete Activity. Turn Off stops Google from saving new activity, while Turn Off and Delete Activity also clears what is already there for this section. After you tap your choice, the switch will change, and the section will show that Web and App Activity is paused or cleared. You have now permanently deleted your Google search history from your iPhone account and stopped new history from building up. If this helped you clean up your searches, please give the video a quick thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple privacy guides.